So here's how to create animation videos for beginners. First of all, open up and go to animaker.com. And as you can see, I'm already here. And here on the top, you can see different sections that you can check out. For now, let's go ahead and click on Create for Free. And after you've created your account, this will be your dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, check out all the options available on this page. And now we will head over to the top left corner and click on Create. After that, from the options, you can select any one that you want. But for this video, we will select Create a Video, and then you have Blank Page and Template. For now, let's go ahead and go with Blank Page. Then, on the Create New Project section, you can select Cartoon or Whiteboard, and then your video aspect ratio. So let's select horizontal video for now. Then wait for your new project to get created. So as you can see, it's now being loaded up. Just be patient and wait for it to get done. And once it's done loading up, you will get to see your empty canvas and the characters on the left side. So here, just scroll through the characters and check them out. Then, if you go over to the left panel, you can see all the tools and options available. So let's select BG. This is for the background that you can use for your animation. So scroll through the options or use the search bar on the top. For now, let's go to the education section and click on View All. So here you have all the background images based on education. Let's go ahead and select this one. And as you can see, it has been added to your canvas right away. Now, go over to the left panel and let's select Character. And once you're on the Character section, just scroll through the list and see if you like any character. You can also create your own character by clicking on this option. So now, you will be redirected to the Character Builder tab. Here, you can start off by choosing your style. Then, you need to select the type of character you want. So go through the options and select the one that you want to work with. So for now, we will go ahead and choose this male character. And on this page, you need to select your character's look and start customizing. And as you can see, you have a lot of options to choose from. So go through the options and select your favorite one. And on this section, you can customize every aspect of your character, like the skin tone. So here on the skin tone section, you can choose the color of the skin. Then on the right side, just scroll through the options and select different aspects of the character. And as you can see, we can set the hairstyle for the character. Then go ahead and go to face shape. Then you have facial hair. So let's scroll through and choose one from the options. Now, let's scroll through the options and see if we want to make any other changes. As you can see, we can also change the eyes of the character. And if you want to change the clothing, here select top wear. Then you can also select other kinds of clothing. Then choose the outfit from the available options. Just like this, go through each and every aspect of your character and customize them. You will also come across premium options. But for now, we will just go ahead and select from the free options. So let's choose a pair of pants. After that, go over to eyewear. Then let's go through the options and select an eyewear that looks cool. And once you're done customizing your character, click on Save on the top right corner. After that, click on Save again to confirm. And as you can see, the character is now being saved. Once done, click on Back to Project. Then, just be patient and wait for Animaker to load up your project. It will take a few moments. And if you look over to the left panel, you will get to see our newly created character right there. And if you click on it, it will be added on your canvas. And once done, just select the character, and on the bottom, you can set the duration of the character's visibility. So set it according to your preference on your project. After that, go ahead and click on the play button, and you will see your character being played out in Animaker. So this way, check out your newly created animation and character and make any necessary changes that you want. You can also change the duration of the background if you want. To do that, go to the end of the animation background. Here, click on the end and drag it to fit your needs. This way, you can change the duration according to your preference. Now, let's fit the duration of the character with the background. So once we're done with that part, let's go ahead and select the character and then click on Action on the top left corner. And you will notice all the different actions for the character will be available on the left panel. Here, scroll through the options and select whichever action you want to add to your character. You can also use the search bar and search for your desired action. For example, walking. And as you can see, all the animations for walking is available right here. Scroll through the options and select your desired one. I will go with this one right here. And once you select the animation, you will get to see it played out on your canvas. This way, go through the animations and check them out one by one. And if you want to change the expressions, you can do that as well. For that, go over to the top left corner and select Expressions right beside Actions. Here, you will get to see different expressions that you can add to your character. So if you select one, it will be reflected on your character on the canvas. So now, to check it out, just click on the play button and you'll be able to see your animation in action right here. Now, if you look over on the top, you will get to see an option that says Smart Move. Click on it. So here, you can set the movement of your character. For example, left to right. So if you select it, you will get to see the starting and ending point on the bottom bar. You can also adjust the starting and ending according to your preference. And if you want to change the movement, you can click on this line right here, then drag it around in order to adjust the position or direction of the animation movement. So now, let's keep it at default. So, on the bottom part, let's go ahead and select the ending point and drag it to the right side to increase the movement duration. Then, let's go ahead and make some additional changes. We'll click on the character and drag it all the way to the left out of the background frame. Then, click on the end point on the bottom and drag the character to the right out of the frame. And once it's done, let's go ahead and click on the play button. And as you can see, the character is now moving from left to right. This way, check your characters and animation for any flaws or improvements. And once done, click on Apply on the top left. So now, let's click the play button and see it in action. And as you can see, our character is now walking from left to right. And once you're done making your animation, just export the video. And that is exactly how to create animation videos for beginners.